Alright guys, we are very excited to be out here today with you at Fremont. So thank you for joining us for this video.
You're welcome.
So what do we have here today?
Epic.
Epic best ever penny
V70
board. Why is it penny? Is it penny because it's not really pennies? What would the quotes be? Or penny because somebody is saying penny?
So it's not a penny board.
Did we write that? Or did the person who sent this write that?
The person that sent this wrote that.
Wow.
Really?
Yep.
Right into my bad head. Oh.
Do you see how fast I opened that?
That's incredible.
It might have been record time. Wow, look at that. Look at that, Gabe Cruz.
Wow.
I'm actually gonna need to peel those off to pay the rent for the Braille house this month. Dear Braille house, my buddy Connor and myself, Anson, started watching this channel back in the winter. What is that?
Say Blinken.
Oh my gosh. Back in the winter when we were both battling injuries and didn't get to travel with our track team to meets. Oh man. We absolutely love the energy, creativity, and goofiness all of you guys have in all of your videos. Do we have goofiness?
Yeah.
After watching the You Make It We Skate It series, we decided we wanted to submit something and came up with the idea for a penny board. We took an old Walmart deck and sanded down the bottom to give it a new paint job, then used a bottle of Gorilla Glue to stick 470-ish pennies to the grip. I hope you guys enjoy the board as much as we enjoy the channel. Wow, it's like really bright. Here's the thing I'm worried about, the pennies coming off. Aren't they just gonna start flying off?
Yeah.
Hit us up, Insta, at coach_lark98 and at Covenator18. You guys can just go ahead and follow them on Instagram. Thank you very much.
The closest they have is 95.
And if you got an idea, email us, skated@brailleskateboarding.com. Wow, so this is a Walmart board.
Hey Aaron.
Hey.
You want my 2 cents on this one?
I don't get it.
I don't get it either. So we're gonna have to come up with some seriously good puns for this. I'm out of ideas already.
I know, seriously.
You got a penny full of puns? You're gonna know something?
We gotta be really penny wise with our puns here.
I wanna know if you guys prefer us to be at Fremont or at the Braille house. Leave it in the comments below.
I'll let you know what I prefer.
What do you prefer?
The Braille house.
Why?
There's no sun.
Daniel, what do you prefer?
Bit of both.
I prefer the Braille house because
There's no sun.
there's no sun.
We're trying to get a bunch of kids to go outside and skateboard, and we ourselves cannot go outside and skateboard.
we go inside and skateboard.
We don't have,
Yeah.
you know, we don't have enough copper tone for this video.
Oh! Sponsor us.
Hashtag not sponsored.
I think we're really gonna link on these boards. That was horrible.
Link on?
Boards.
What's my favorite toy?
Lincoln
Logs.
Oh!
My
Man.
beard's almost as long as Abe Lincoln's waiting for this to get done.
Wow. Look
That
at
is
that.
so bright.
Look at that.
It's gonna take a century for Daniel to get back from the car.
This is where all the comments are like, I miss Lance.
The funny thing is that he would have said the exact same thing. It's just funnier when he says it.
I know, because he would have said it like, this will take a century. And then it's the pause. It's in the delivery, it's the pause.
Let me try again. This is gonna take a century.
Nailed it. Leave it in the comments below. We don't need Lance.
We missed your best pun of all time right there, man.
If Abe Lincoln went to court, he'd be innocent.
I don't get it.
Wow.
Whoa! Holy. Oh, God! The whole Rochambeau was for the kickflip off, so we gotta go. Wow.
There you
go.
First try.
Yes.
Oh, we lost one.
Yes. Finally.
We're now only at $4.69. Oh, $4.68. Wow. $4.67.
Penny for your thoughts.
Thank you. Right there. You want to steal a penny? Just
Dang,
wow.
Good. I will be right back. I gotta go to the skate shop. Fetty, do as many tricks as you can, and I'll return.
You missed like 3 of my hard flips.
do a 4th one. Oh! Oh!
Am I no sliding it?
I mean, technically, it would be called an Abraham Lincoln slide, right?
Yeah.
You are sliding on his face.
A beard slide.
What?
The paint on the bottom is like sticky.
Oh.
Did we bring wax?
Fetty, no. Wait, what are you doing?
But, you know,
Gotta put the copper tone on.
you swipe your debit card or your card.
Copper tone. For pennies.
What in the world? Bro, we should do a
To tone
video
your
like
copper.
that. Like just testing out various things to see if it works as wax. Does sunblock work as wax? We'll find out in about 5 seconds. Oh, that was buttery.
It works really good.
Copper tone on it. Yeah! You're landing tricks that are money, but you're losing 4 cents at a time.
I know. Big spin out.
Oh yeah.
If I can slide through it.
Oh! Hopefully by the end of this, there's 470 pennies all over Fremont Skate Park.
Come claim yours today. Oh my God, one of them almost hit me in the face.
I think you have to reapply copper tone pretty frequently though. You landed this try, I got you with that coin.
Okay, for sure.
Wow!
Did any pennies fall off?
I'm a man of my word.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
270 out?
Let's get it. Whoa! That bail was at least worth 2 pennies.
That was at least really scary.
I was worried that you were gonna hit your 2 cents.
I was worried I was gonna get assassinated by the ledge. Too soon.
Even though you've been doing this trick a lot recently, I'm really hyped that you're landing it. Whoa!
I just gotta land a decent one.
Fetty, I just wanted to let you know that you're a really great guy. Please don't ever change. Oh, it's coming off.
Yeah, already.
Oh, Luke, it's your chance.
The only trick I can do, ready?
Oh.
All right, Fetty, your turn.
Oh.
You got that right? It doesn't make any sense how he lands that.
I don't know.
It's so slippery.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Wow!
Finally.
Nailed it. I bet it's real new sense how annoying that grip tape is.
Yeah. So me and Luke are gonna play skate?
Yeah.
All right.
Whoever wins this game gets the pile of 10 pennies.
It's like game over, unless he doesn't land it.
Ollie the 5.
I haven't even ollied on it.
Bro, you got this. I'm fully rooting for you, Ruth. What, was it supposed to be an ollie north? Oh, oh no. Oh my God. Can I say I did see that coming from a mile away?
So did I.
You know what? We're not playing skate, we're playing sense. That's a
Sense.
C for Luke. All right, there's your chance. Oh, you gotta call your trick first.
I was
You gotta
just
be
gonna
very
drop
clear.
in, but on the big side,
You can drop in on the big side?
I don't know. I don't know how slippery it is.
Just drop in here first.
Yeah.
Oh my God!
Drop in?
Just drop in, yeah.
I'll take the letter.
I respect you for that one, man.
Should I just do the, for fun, the 12?
Yeah, why not?
I have common sense. I have to try that.
Hey, full sense. There's something wrong with that kid. Not gonna lie, you hit that crack at the bottom and gave me a heart attack.
Yeah, I thought I was gonna die.
Whoa,
my
it's
God.
so weird.
Let's try back D on that quarter pipe.
Yeah.
I do not skate this one. I can't do it on there.
Should I try a kickflip on the bank? I feel like I won't land it, but you know, you never know. Oh, actually, I got a better idea. I'll try to ollie that gap.
You're doing well right now. You just gotta keep playing it smart. If you invest your money correctly, you got it.
Board slide.
Board slide? All right.
Board slide, slip, sack. That's what I'm going.
All right.
There. It actually worked better than I thought.
Yeah, that was good.
Wow!
Oh. Yeah. Luke, you land this, I'll give you 100 pennies.
Oh, kickflip.
Oh,
Oh, that's a hard one.
dirty. Good enough.
That was just.
Good enough to count.
Oh, that
Dang,
flipped
that
a
was
lot
actually
better.
a really good flip, though. freaking terrifying.
I launched a penny hella far.
Okay, I'm gonna try a kickflip on the bank.
Yee! It's like a nollie big spin with an explosion of pennies.
I don't know what's up.
Oh man. Man, if I had a penny for every time you fell, I would have such an absurd amount of money. Luke, if you don't land it, it's over for you.
All right, I know what it's this one. I got to do it on this side. Oh my gosh! I'm really trying my best, guys.
I mean, at the beginning of this video, we were really linking the tricks together, but now we're at a dead end.
Yeah, in a sense. Luke said if you guys are still watching this, anyone is still watching, just thank you. Nollie big spin lip on the other kicker. Luke, if you don't land it this try, I'm actually not gonna do anything, but I'll be really upset.
Is there a size like 7.75?
I think you're trying a little too hard.
Nah, I think you need to take all those pennies in your pocket and buy Skateboarding Made Simple.
Wow, never been that
It's
hurt.
actually a little harsh.
What the? Oh, I literally landed on the one part of my body that I. Oh.
Oh no.
Okay, no more messing around. Hold these. We're going on that one.
Okay, seriously, if you don't land it next try, then the try after that, I'm throwing these at you.
Okay.
Mid-try.
Oh.
There you go.
About time.
After all that time.
Okay, I'm gonna do a heel flip.
Oh no. Like you look like you're gonna fall so hard on everything.
No!
Oh!
Heel flip, huh?
That's right. Don't ever do that again.
She landed, of course.
So Luke is gonna try to air over this. Why? I don't know. What? How is that even possible?
I choked.
Oh! No! I guess we just gotta finish on our regular boards.
All right, your turn. I didn't know where Luke went from. I've never done this. I've done it once.
You could have landed like.
I could have died.
Dude, you're a freaking ninja! How did you right yourself in midair?
That was scary. I'm so glad Fetty survived.
Hey, respect for saving yourself, man. What are you gonna go for?
That's amazing.
Bro.
So I don't know how he could do that.
Faster.
Boom! You guys crushed it. You killed it. You're lucky I wasn't here.
Come on, give me one of those.
Oh yeah. So the penny board on the Walmart is like, is it a Walmart board or is it a penny board? I called it. I knew it was gonna break.
Well, I had a hold of it, so.
And you break everything. We hope you guys enjoyed this. No pennies were harmed in the making of this video. We very carefully went around and found all the pennies and we donated them to Jamba Juice. Actually, we donated them to the First Try Foundation where we're giving kids skateboards. So hashtag notification squad in the comments below. We will pick the winner and we will send you a prize package. I'm really excited about this. We've also been trying to answer as many of the comments as we can and I'm really have been excited to see what you guys are saying and get your feedback. And yeah, we love you. So thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and then check out all these other videos. You guys will love them. I'll see you in the daily video tomorrow.
Luke, you messed up the entire clip.